Some mornings, I wake up feeling heavy, like I'm carrying a weight no one can see. I smile at people, say I'm fine, but inside, I'm not. It's strange how easy it is to be kind to others, and so hard to be kind to myself. Maybe that's the real battle, learning to love the person I see in the mirror.
It's morning. The sun is shining through my window, but I don't feel bright inside. My name is Tina, and lately it feels like I'm tired of being me. And today, like many days, I look in the mirror and don't like what I see. Every time I do that, my brain starts a fight. You don't look good. You failed again. I touch my face, fix my hair, change my outfit, and put on a smile, the one that hides how I feel. I whisper, why can't I just like myself? I go to my favorite cafe, hoping a cup of coffee will make me feel better. People around me seem so confident and so relaxed. Right now, my mind is constantly comparing. The girl next to me has perfect hair. The guy across the room is laughing so easily. And there's me, pretending to be okay. The waitress smiles at me and says, "You look tired. Hard day?" I smile weakly. Something like that. She laughs kindly. We all have those days. Her simple kindness feels strange, like I forgot people can be gentle. The day is over, but the noise in my head isn't. Every small mistake plays like a movie on repeat. The things I said, the things I didn't say. I keep thinking, maybe I'm just not the kind of person people like. The next morning, I call my therapist, Dr. Lena. She greets me with her usual calm voice. "What's been going on, Tina?" "I just don't like myself. No matter what I do, I always find something wrong," I say quietly. She nods. That's a hard feeling to live with. But let's slow down a little. When did you start judging yourself so bad? I think for a moment. Maybe when I started comparing my life to others. She smiles softly. That's very honest. Tina, there are 3 things I want you to try this week. First, notice the inner critic. Every time that voice says something mean, stop and say, "That's just a thought, not a truth." Write it down. Don't fight it. Just notice. Second, small acts of kindness to yourself. Do one nice thing for yourself every day. A warm shower, a walk, a favorite song, or just rest. Self-kindness starts small. Third, gratitude for what's real. Before bed, write 3 small things you did well or felt grateful for. Not perfect, just real. She adds, "Remember, Tina, you're not broken. You're just tired of being unkind to yourself, and it's time to be kind to yourself." You think self-love means being perfect, but it's not. It means staying with yourself, even when you feel broken. I take a deep breath. That sentence stays in my heart. Maybe for the first time, I believe her. That night, I sit by the window with my notebook. The rain outside feels like background music to my thoughts. I sit there, watching drops slide down the glass. Each one looks like my thoughts, falling, fading, then gone. I write, "I'm not kind to myself, but I want to be." Then I start
her steps. When the voice says, "You're lazy," I write, "That's a thought, not a truth." When I feel guilty for resting, I remind myself, I'm human. I need rest. The first few days, it feels awkward, like learning a new language, the language of kindness. Days pass. After a week, I notice small changes. I wake up and stretch instead of checking my phone and scrolling through perfect lives online. I drink water, light a candle, and play soft music. I write my 3 things for the night before. I cooked myself dinner. I texted my friend. I didn't give up today. I write one kind word to myself each morning. Strong, brave, enough. It's nothing big, but it feels like progress. Every line reminds me I'm trying, and that's enough. One morning, I look at myself in the mirror. Same face, same eyes, but I don't look for what's wrong this time. I say quietly, "You're not perfect, but you're learning. I'm proud of you." Liking myself didn't happen overnight. It happened in small, quiet moments. Every time I chose kindness instead of criticism. Some days, I still don't feel enough. But now, instead of fighting that feeling, I sit beside it and say, "It's okay. You're still loved." And I truly believe it. Liking yourself isn't about changing who you are. It's about learning to stand beside yourself with patience and care. Because healing starts when you choose to see yourself with gentle eyes.